From the deepest trenches to the sunlit surface, our oceans are the lifeblood of our planet. But they are in trouble. Marine ecosystems face unprecedented threats from overfishing, pollution, and a rapidly changing climate. The challenges are immense, and our traditional conservation methods, though well-intentioned, often struggle to keep pace with the scale of the problem. But what if we could see everything, everywhere, all at once? What if we could predict threats before they happen and restore what's been lost faster than ever before? This isn't science fiction. This is the new frontier of marine conservation powered by technology. These incredible tools are giving us the precision, real-time insights and predictive power we need to safeguard our oceans more effectively than ever before. Imagine having eyes in the sky, watching over every corner of our vast oceans. That's exactly what remote sensing and satellite monitoring provide. From thousands of kilometers above, these sentinels allow conservationists to monitor immense marine areas continuously. They can spot illegal fishing vessels in real time, enabling enforcement to be swift and decisive, stopping poachers in their tracks. They can track the devastating spread of coral bleaching and the loss of critical habitats like mangrove forests, providing the crucial data needed to target restoration efforts where they'll have the biggest impact. This high-resolution intelligence is transforming how we design marine protected areas and craft sustainable management policies, turning guesswork into data-driven strategy. Now, what if we could see into the future? Artificial intelligence is making that possible, allowing us to shift from reacting to damage to proactively preventing it. AI-powered models analyze vast datasets to forecast ecological trends before they even begin. They can predict the migratory paths of endangered species, identify future biodiversity hotspots that need protection, and even anticipate where and when pollution events are likely to occur. This incredible foresight allows conservation teams to strategically deploy their resources, protecting vital spawning grounds and deploying cleanup crews before a spill becomes a catastrophe. By getting ahead of the curve, predictive conservation maximizes the efficiency of every dollar spent and every action taken, dramatically improving our chances of success. But what about the damage that's already been done? Can we turn back the clock on habitat destruction? With the help of robotics, the answer is an emphatic yes. Automation is enabling us to restore critical ecosystems at a scale that was once unimaginable. Imagine autonomous underwater vehicles gliding through the ocean, precisely planting thousands of resilient coral fragments on a damaged reef. Picture aerial drones soaring over coastlines, seeding vast kelp forests that will become nurseries for countless marine species. Engineers are even 3D printing complex, modular reef structures that provide an instant, stable foundation for life to take hold. These robotic solutions not only accelerate ecosystem recovery, but also significantly reduce the costs and intense labor traditionally required for restoration work. To make the right decisions, we need the right information in real time. That's where the Internet of Things, or IoT, comes in. A vast network of smart sensors is being deployed across our oceans, acting as a planetary-scale nervous system. These underwater and floating devices continuously measure vital signs like water temperature, salinity, acidity, and the presence of pollutants. They can detect the subtle temperature shifts that trigger coral bleaching or the invisible plume of chemical pollutants and microplastics drifting on the currents. This constant stream of high-resolution data is analyzed instantly, allowing scientists and managers to adjust conservation strategies on the fly. This gives coastal communities and governments actionable insights to manage their marine resources with unprecedented precision. One of the biggest hurdles in marine conservation is ensuring that the fish on our plates comes from a legal and sustainable source. Blockchain technology is providing a revolutionary solution by creating a transparent and tamper-proof digital ledger. Blockchain allows us to track every single catch from the moment it's pulled from the sea all the way to the consumer. Fishermen log their catch on a secure app, and that data follows the product through the entire supply chain. This radical transparency makes it nearly impossible for illegally caught seafood to enter the market, enforcing quotas and combating overfishing. It rewards and incentivizes responsible fishing practices while giving consumers the confidence that their choices are supporting a healthy ocean. Ultimately, technology is most powerful when it's in the hands of the people. New digital platforms are empowering communities around the globe to become active participants in marine conservation. Citizen science apps allow anyone with a smartphone to become a frontline observer, reporting pollution, entangled wildlife, or illegal activities directly to the authorities. Online platforms help organize massive volunteer efforts for beach cleanups and habitat restoration projects. They also serve as powerful tools for education, raising awareness, and fostering a global community of ocean stewards. When we combine cutting-edge tech with the passion and power of people, we amplify our impact and create a culture of collective responsibility for our blue planet. None of these technologies work in a vacuum. The true revolution lies in integrating them into a single, cohesive strategy. It's a symphony of innovation. Satellites provide the broad overview. AI predicts the future. Robotics restores the past. IoT sensors give us a real-time health check, and blockchain ensures our consumption is sustainable. When we combine this powerful technological toolkit with community engagement and global collaboration, we create a formidable force for change. This integrated approach is our best hope for protecting biodiversity, strengthening ecosystem resilience, and building a sustainable blue economy. Experts believe that if we fully embrace this tech-driven model, we can begin to reverse some of the most severe trends of ocean degradation by 2050. In the face of unprecedented challenges, technology is no longer just an option. It has become the backbone of modern marine conservation. It offers us a new set of tools, sharp enough, fast enough, and smart enough to meet the scale of the crisis. Through relentless innovation and a shared commitment to collaboration, we can and we will ensure a future with healthy, thriving oceans for all generations to come. Thank you for joining us on this journey. If you're inspired by the power of technology to save our oceans, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with others who care about the future of our blue planet.